Hello everyone, welcome in your English class. Today we will do our chapter number 2, Wonders in the Water. And thought of the day is, your best teacher is your last mistake. Means आपकी आखिरी गलती ही आपका सबसे अच्छा अध्यापक होता है. मीन्स हमें हमारी गलतियों से ही सबक सीखना चाहिए. And today our grammar topic is main verb and helping verb. But before doing our today's topic, we will quickly revise our yesterday's work. Rules of simple present tense. If the subject is a singular noun, i.e., it, he or she, then the verb is suffixed by s or es. In case of plural nouns, there is no change in the actual form of the verb. According to the simple present tense, अगर हमारा सब्जेक्ट सिंगुलर नाउन है जैसे इट, ही और शी, तब हम वर्ब में एस या ई एस लगाते हैं. If our subject is plural noun, then we do not any change in our verb. Means अगर हमारा सब्जेक्ट प्लूरल नाउन है तो हम वर्ब में कोई भी चेंजेस नहीं करते हैं. So the formula of singular noun is singular subject plus main verb plus s or es plus object. Now you would have a question, where do we add s or where do we add es? So student, we add es to verb that ending in o, x, double s, ch, sh, z या s. Like go. This verb ending with o. So we add es to make it according to simple present tense. Wash, 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 and its ending letter is sh. So we will add es to make it simple present tense verb. Teach, and its ending letter is ch, so we will add es. Do, and its last letter is o, so we add es. Kiss, 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 and its last letter is double s, so we add es. Tax, 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 and its ending letter is x, so we add es in simple present tense. Now we know we add ies to verb that ending in consonant plus y. Like fly, fly, its ending letter is y and its second letter is consonant. So we will remove this y and write I in place of y. Then we add es to make it verb according to simple present tense. Like city, its ending letter is y and its second letter is T and T is a consonant. So we will write I in place of Y, then we add ES. Try, TRY, try. Its ending letter is Y and second letter is R, and R is a consonant. So we will remove this Y and write I in place of Y. Then we add ES to make verb according to simple present tense. Like study. D. D is a consonant. It is before the Y. So we will remove this Y. We will write I in place of Y. Then we add ES to make this verb according to simple present tense. We add S to verb that ending in vowel plus Y. Like play. Its ending letter is Y, but before Y here is a vowel A. So that we did not replace Y with I, we add S to make it verb according to simple present tense. Like buy, B-U-Y, buy. Its ending letter is Y, but before Y its second letter is U, and U is a vowel. So we will add S to make this verb according to simple present tense. Like obey, O-B-E-Y, obey. Its ending letter is Y, but its second letter is E, and E is a vowel. So that we add S in this verb to make it according to simple present tense. So student, you must be careful when you find verb that ending in consonant plus Y, then you add IES in place of Y. When you find verb that ending in vowel plus Y, then you add simple S to make it verb. We add S to verb that ending in E, यानी जिस वर्ब के लास्ट में ई होता है हम उसमें सिंपल एस ऐड करके उसे सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस के अकॉर्डिंग बनाते हैं. लाइक बेक, B-A-K-E, बेक. इट्स एंडिंग लेटर इज ई, सो वी ऐड ओनली एस टू मेक वर्ब फॉर सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस. केयर, इट्स एंडिंग लेटर इज ई, सो वी add S to make it cares. Leave, its ending letter is E, so we will add S to make it leaves. Like, its ending letter is E, so we will add S to make it likes. We add S to verb that ending in consonant. Like break, its last letter is K and it is a consonant, so we will add S to make breaks. Eat, its last letter is T and T is a consonant, so we add S to make it eats. Like sit, sits, swim, swims, and so on. If our subject is plural, then the formula is plural subject plus main verb plus no change in our main verb plus object. Now students, we will know the rules of present continuous tense. The present continuous tense is used for actions happening now or for an action that is unfinished, and its helping verbs are is, am, are. प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस का प्रयोग हम उस एक्शन के लिए करते हैं जो कि हैपनिंग नाउ, अभी हो रहा है, और या फिर फॉर एन एक्शन दैट इज अनफिनिश्ड, और उस एक्शन के लिए जो कि अभी खत्म नहीं हुआ है। और इसका हेल्पिंग वर्ब क्या होता है? इज, एम, आर। फॉर्मूला फॉर प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस इज सब्जेक्ट प्लस हेल्पिंग वर्ब प्लस वर्ब प्लस ing प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट। एंड फॉर सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट द फॉर्मूला इज सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट प्लस हेल्पिंग वर्ब प्लस verb plus ing plus object. Like similar subjects are he, she, it, or one name of any person, place or thing. For these singular subjects we use helping verb is, then verb, and we add ing in our verb plus object. यानी he is eating a bread. Now we will talk about plural subject. If our subject is plural, then the formula of present continuous tense is plural subject plus helping verb plus verb plus ing plus object. Like in this example, our plural subjects are they, we, you, and more than one name. It means these are pronouns they, we, and you, and we use they and we for more than one person. Or if we talk about name of more than one name, then we use helping verb are. The verb plus verb में we add ing, then our object. So they are eating a bread. With I, we always use helping verb am in present continuous tense. I am eating a bread. Now we will come our today's topic, main verb and helping verbs. Verb describe the action being done in the sentence. Types of verbs are main verb, means describing an action, and helping verb that help the main verb in their functions. Verbs describe the action. वर्ब जो होते हैं वो एक्शन को यानी काम को डिस्क्राइब करते हैं बीइंग डन इन द सेंटेंस, जो कि सेंटेंस में हो रहे होते हैं. एंड देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ वर्ब्स. दो तरीके के वर्ब होते हैं. पहला तो मेन वर्ब जो कि डिस्क्राइब एन एक्शन, जो कि कार्य को के बारे में बताता है. एंड सेकंड वन इज हेल्पिंग वर्ब दैट हेल्प द मेन वर्ब इन देयर फंक्शंस. यानी दूसरा जो होता है वो हेल्पिंग वर्ब होता है जो कि मेन वर्ब को के फंक्शनिंग में कार्य करने में उसकी मदद करता है. स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ लुक एट सम हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स. मोस्ट कॉमन हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स आर इज, एम, आर, वॉज, वर, हैज, हैव, बी, being, been, had, do, does, did, done, can, could, will, may, and might. Now here are some examples for helping verb and main verb. Now look at this example. I am playing football. In this sentence, am is a helping verb and our main verb is playing. And in this sentence, helping verb help the main verbs in their functioning. Now look at in next example. She is writing very neatly. In this sentence, helping verb is and our main verb is writing. And this helping verb help the main verb in their functioning. Now look at next example. They are playing in the ground. In this sentence, are is a helping verb and playing is main verb. And in this sentence, are help the main verbs in their functioning. Now, student, take out your course book English Junction. And it's page number 30. In your page number 30, look at question number B. Circle the main verbs and underline the helping verbs in these sentences. Here are 5 sentences and we will circle the main verb and underline the helping verbs. First sentence has been done for you. Now look at this sentence. I am reading a storybook about a monkey. In this sentence, am is a helping verb and reading is a main verb. So, we underline the helping verb and circle the main verb. And look student, in this sentence, am help the main verb in their functioning. Now look at sentence number 2. The monkey is hanging from a tree and is eating a banana. In this sentence, look, here are 2 helping verbs in this sentence. And these helping verbs are helping the main verb in their functioning. So, these are main verb. We will circle it like this. Now look at sentence number 3. Ramesh and his friends are sitting on the branch of a tree. Look student, here are is our helping verb and our main verb is sitting. So we will circle it. In this sentence, are is our helping verb and it is helping the main verb in its functioning. And always remember this thing, that helping verb always comes before the main verb. Now Look at sentence number 4. They are watching some baby monkeys playing around them. In this sentence, are is our helping verb and watching is our main verb. So we will circle it. Look student, I said right now that helping verbs come always before the main verb. And in this sentence, main verb is watching. So we will circle it. In this sentence, this is another verb, but it is but before it there is not any helping verb. So it is not a main verb. Okay student? Now look at next sentence number 5. The monkeys are swinging from one branch to another. In this sentence, are is our helping verb, so we will underline it, and swinging is our main verb, so we will circle it like this. Our helping verb is helping the main verb in its functioning. Okay student, hope you will understand very well what are main verb and what are helping verbs. So students, this is your classwork. Now student, take out your worksheet and its page number 12. Students, now we will match our yesterday's homework. Pick the right collective noun to complete each group. And the collective nouns are pack, pride, swarm, herd, litter, brood, troop, flock, mob and school. Now look at number 1. Answer is a pride of lions. Number 2 is a pack of wolves. Number 3 answer is a brood of chickens. Number 4 answer is a herd of zebras. Number 5 answer is a swarm of bees. And number 6 answer is a litter of kittens. Now student, this is your homework in your page number 12. Underline the main verbs and circle the helping verbs in these sentences. And student, this work is as it is that we have done in our textbook. Okay. Now take out page number 1330. In page number 13, question number B is choose the correct helping verb. Right now you understand what is the present continuous tense, and this work is based on present continuous tense. And here are some helping verbs in these brackets, and you will choose the correct answer and you will write here. Okay. Now look at number 1 sentence. She dares traveling tonight, and with which helping verb you will use here. Okay. Now student,